Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet, and I'm back with a fun tutorial on how you can engrave faux leather with the WeCreat Vision Engraver. This is a faux leather passport holder by PYD Life. It's made specifically for laser engraving. And here we have the WeCreat Vision Engraver and Laser Cutter. The Vision is the world's first auto-lifting enclosed laser engraver and cutter. It's equipped with the auto-lifting mechanism as well as a built-in HD camera. This laser is a 20-watt diode laser with a 600mm per second engraving speed. To start, we go ahead and lift the lid and place the leather passport holder on top of the grid. Then using the Make It software by WeCreat, we go ahead and set up the parameters. I uploaded my SVG file and I also cropped it so it would fit the passport holder. I selected bitmap engrave and my power is at 50%, my speed is at 250 per second, my number of passes is 1, and I have 125 line density. The image is a little bit dark because my leather is dark leather, but you can also put something on behind the leather when you're doing this, like maybe a piece of plywood so that you could see your image a little bit better. But I was able to do it just fine. So with the camera, I was able to adjust the image to fit properly on my passport holder and also able to center it. Once I had everything set up and the image was centered on my passport holder, I click autofocus. As you can see, then the laser autofocuses on the passport holder. The software then provides an estimated processing time. This project will take about 24 minutes and 45 seconds. You click the send button and then it'll prompt you to press the button on the machine. Once you press the button, the laser will do all the work. Once the laser is done engraving, the machine will automatically lift. You press the complete button in the software. I was a little worried about this design that I selected. I selected a map of Middle Earth, and if you're a fan of Lord of the Rings, you'll know what that is. I picked this image for two reasons. One, it's a very detailed map, and I wanted to see if the engraver would actually be able to pick up every little detail. And the second reason is we are huge Lord of the Rings fans, and I made this passport holder for my son who loves all of the Lord of the Rings books and movies, and so I wanted to make this specifically for him, and of course this is perfect. If you know the story of The Hobbit or the Lord of the Rings, you know that travel is a big part of it, and so it's a perfect theme for a passport holder. I gotta tell you, I'm really impressed with the level of detail the Vision was able to engrave. I was able to engrave every single detail that was on the map. You can see all the mountain ranges, you can see the ripples in the ocean, even the tiny text. I'm really impressed. This photo and video does not do it justice. My camera had a hard time focusing on all the details, but in person it's amazing. I am so pleased with the end result. My son loves it. I love it. I just can't wait to make more. Everybody in my family wants one, so I'll be doing several of these. So if you are in the market for a laser engraver or cutter, you definitely need to check out the Vision by WeCreat. It is so easy to set up, so easy to use, and best of all, no previous experience is necessary. So I encourage you to check out the WeCreat Vision Laser and Cutter Engraver. I'm going to leave some more information about it in the description below. I will be sharing more fun projects with you later, so be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.